The U.S. military in 2026, the force that never sleeps. In 2026, the United States military remains the world's most powerful conventional force in terms of budget, technology, and global reach. With defense spending exceeding $870 billion, over 1.3 million personnel serve on active duty, supported by 800,000 more in the reserves and National Guard. U.S. Army, Ground Forces. The Army maintains more than 450,000 active soldiers. Its armored backbone is the M1A2 Abrams SEPv4 tank, now equipped with active protection systems and AI-assisted targeting. Artillery relies on HIMARS and M270 rocket systems, proven for long-range precision strikes. Infantry units field upgraded Stryker vehicles, and the new XM30 mechanized infantry combat vehicle, which is replacing the Bradley. The Army continues integrating unmanned ground vehicles and combat robots into frontline units. U.S. Air Force, Air Power. The Air Force operates over 5,200 aircraft. Air superiority depends on the F-22 Raptor and F-35A Lightning II, both fifth-generation fighters. The sixth-generation NGAD program has entered limited service, flying alongside AI-powered drone wingmen called CCA. Strategic bombers include the B-2 Spirit and modernized B-52, while the new B-21 Raider stealth bomber is gradually replacing the B-1 and B-2 fleets. Airlift missions use the C-17 Globemaster III and C-5M Super Galaxy, with KC-46 Pegasus tankers handling aerial refueling. Intelligence and early warning come from the new E-7 Wedgetail and drones like the RQ-4 Global Hawk and MQ-9 Reaper. U.S. Navy, Sea Power. The Navy operates 296 combat ships in 2026. Aircraft carriers are the fleet's core. 11 nuclear-powered carriers are in active service. These include Nimitz-class ships like the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower and USS Carl Vinson, plus the newer Ford class led by USS Gerald R. Ford and USS John F. Kennedy, now fully operational. Each carrier deploys 75 to 90 aircraft, including F, A-18E, F Super Hornets, F-35C fighters, E-2D Hawkeye early warning planes, and the MQ-25 Stingray unmanned tanker. The submarine force includes 14 Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines and 50 Virginia and Los Angeles-class attack submarines. Destroyers from the Arleigh Burke Block III class feature the SPY-6 radar and Aegis missile defense system. U.S. Marine Corps, Expeditionary Force. As a rapid response force of 175,000 Marines, the Corps flies F-35B fighters with vertical takeoff capability, AH-1Z Viper and UH-1Y Venom helicopters, and MV-22 Osprey tiltrotors for transport. The Navy has begun fielding new light amphibious warships, or LSMs, to rapidly deploy Marine units across the Pacific. Space Force and Cyber Command. The U.S. Space Force manages spy satellites, missile warning systems, and military GPS. U.S. Cyber Command runs both offensive and defensive operations in cyberspace, serving as the new silent deterrent. In 2026, the Pentagon's focus is on integrated deterrence, combining artificial intelligence, drones, and hypersonic weapons, while keeping traditional dominance in the air and at sea. American power is not just in the number of jets or ships, but in its global base network, supply chains, and the ability to deploy a strike force anywhere within 48 hours. This is the U.S. military in 2026, a blend of traditional firepower and next-century technology.